Hello, my name is Sudhanshu, and here I'm gonna explain about the Node.js authentication project, that is the skill test 2 of Coding Ninjas. So here I have deposited the GitHub URL, and here is the hosted URL, and here is the project that which I have made. This is the key MongoDB part. This is the authentication part where we will use for authentication word, and here's the user, the schema, that in which way this should be there. And when we'll click on forget, it should show this page. Layout should be like this page, and here is the index part where we will go with the that the source file, exactly the basic file. So now when we start the index file, like you can see that it's been connected right now. So when we will use the node.index.js, it will be connected to MongoDB. I have used the MongoDB Atlas, uh, which you can see here. The currently it's been connected and it's been storing all the our data, and it's been live on render. Here, yeah, it's been live here. You can see that it's been live here render. So now, if when we run this program, well, let's go for the demo. When we click on login, it will take us to the login page. Here we can set up a login where if you want to register, if you want to reset, we can reset it like this. Then if we want to register, we can register it like this. And when we click on register, it will send us an email whether we want to authenticate or not. So we can see that we have received an email here: activate your account, auth admin. And here I have received the email to authenticate whether I want to authenticate it or not. So this is the basic file, basic information about this part. And I have uploaded this on GitHub profile here. It's here, and we can just manage all the profile and data. And here is my empty file, and that's it. Thank you.